Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be learning some fast food vocabulary. This is a great video for beginners who are learning English, or for anyone who wants to brush up on their fast food knowledge. We'll start with some of the most common fast food items. Here are a few examples: hamburger, hot dogs, pizza, fried chicken, French fries or chips, and fried fish. Now let's see more. Tacos, sandwiches, burritos, salads, sushi, as well as wraps. Next, for all you fast food fans, let's see more vocabulary. Chicken nuggets, milkshakes, onion rings, mozzarella sticks, ice cream, and finally, soft drinks, especially sodas. That's all for today's video. I hope you learned some new fast food vocabulary. If you did, be sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.